how Fau-G was made? The Cold War between India versus China and the USA versus China. It is the perfect timing to launch the same for both the countries. Do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening updates. As the Indian government pushes the public to use more and more Indian-made products, being ATMA-NIRBHAR and taking strict actions by banning about 118 Chinese apps. The most widely used Chinese apps such as Tik Tok, WeChat, Club Factory, Shein, UC Browser, SHAREIt were the first one in the list. PUBG was a widely loved online shooting game and was also in the list of banned apps. Although Fau-G will soon be out to fill the void. Fau-G, which stands for Fearless and United Guards, is an upcoming game. The same is expected to be released in October. It is multiplayer games based on real-life scenarios that Indian Defence Forces face. The players can collaborate in team of 5 and win different levels. The cause for the ban was simple: the Cold War between India versus China and the USA versus China. It was not just political. The Chinese apps have been reportedly stealing personal information from our devices. Various complaints about unauthorized data transmission have been raised in both Android and iOS devices. The USA has announced that they might take steps against the app. It is thinking of taking overall administration for their country if the same is not banned. Well, let us see how the new game turns out to be. And can it replace PUBG? Should the USA also launch its own game? Have you seen the new trailer that has been released? Did you like the concept of it? Watch till the end and comment down below with your thoughts. Fau-G was announced by Akshay Kumar, a famous Bollywood hero. He is the advisor and face of the game promotion. Perfect if you ask me, because of a few of his blockbuster movies were based on Indian Army. He is the one who came up with the name Fau-G, that means a soldier in Hindi language. It is founded by Vishal Gondal and chairman of Encore Games. This game is also contributing to a great cause. 20% of its profit are being given to the trust fund called Bharat Ke Veer for the Indian Army. The various themes will bring out the glory of the forgotten names in history who have sacrificed so much for the country. The first level is said to be set in the Galwan Valley backdrop. It is based on the real-time situation when there was a deadly crash in Ladakh in June, which led to the martyrdom of 20 brave soldiers and unspecified casualties on the Chinese side. Banning these apps created an impact on China, as the user base for the application was huge. For example, in a single day, Tencent, the parent company of PUBG, lost $14 billion from the ban on PUBG Mobile. 24% of its download, or 125 million downloads until June 2020, were from India alone. TikTok has about 611 million downloads in India alone, which can be estimated to about 200 million for the creators. 400 million users actively use SHAREIt. Overall, Chinese tech lost approx $66 billion market cap between July to September due to the ban. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has thought it through with various creators by making apps similar to the banned ones to fill the void. The audience has not responded to the changes very positively, as there had been many influencers who had been doing well due to PUBG and TikTok. Although this strict measure was essential as the Cold War intensified from a political viewpoint. The Cold War between USA and China is also intensifying, as President Trump made it one of the major issues for his election campaign. President Trump openly blamed China for the pandemic and calls the virus a Chinese virus or Wuhan virus. He continues indicating that to improve the GDP or to see every country in loss, China has deliberately spread the virus. President Trump has commented on banning these apps too. He mentioned that he very much wants to do so due to the security reasons. President Trump said that USA would like to control the administration in those apps which concerns its citizens. and it is an ongoing conversation. Although he thinks that USA will not gain anything from it, and there is a huge risk of retaliation from the public. Of course, with the elections knocking on the door, he cannot upset the public. Do you think the best way to overcome the problem is making alternatives? The tension has been so high that both countries keep dishing each other on public platforms. Armed forces have been alert on both sides, with them performing and showing off their weapon power every now and often. Signing off, comment down your thoughts. Do not forget to smash the like button and hit the bell icon to keep getting these eye-opening updates. See ya!